Now for our part 2, the crossover cable. We're going to use the Cat6 cable again. But before that, we're going to measure it 1 inch apart. We're now going to use our cable stripper to remove its skin so we can see the colored wires. But reminder guys, we need to follow the crossover cable arrangements so that it would perfectly work. And now, we're going to use the crimping tool to align its end so it could easily put inside the RJ45. We're now going to insert it on the RJ45. Perfect! And now, as you can see, it is now inside the RJ45. We're using our crimping tool to lock it. Make sure to press the crimping tool hard. And now, do straight through process on the other side of the Cat6 cable, like we did earlier. And now, I'm showing you guys the numbers that we need to follow on our cable tester. It will serve as our indicator for the cable so that we would know that it perfectly works. As you can see, I'm pointing out the numbers, and we need to observe it carefully as how it would blink. Make sure that the blinks are perfectly matched, and I think it perfectly works guys.